Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore and we have another Seiko here ready to be unboxed by me. Well, this is the first watch purchase of the year. So as you know, I'm a weak-minded fool and 2 weeks into the new year, I couldn't resist and I found a really good deal on the Seiko diver here. And here's the watch freshly delivered by Grab Express. Let me just quickly flip open the outer box here. See what we've got inside here. Alright, so this is, wow, fully wrapped up as though it's a new purchase. But of course, this watch here is used. I bought it off the local classified at a really good price. And just flip this one open here. Pro Specs Safety Ocean, and here it is. Ta-da! This is the Seiko Safety Ocean 62 Mars reissue. And of course, this series here features this Glacier blue dial, also known as the birch dial. Alright, I've been looking at this one for a while, so when I found one at a really good price, I couldn't resist. Okay, and I'm actually pretty happy that I got this one. So really nice blue dial here with all the beautiful texturing. So let's see what else we've got inside this packaging here. Got the paperwork, I think. Okay, so this one is from City Chain, one of the authorized dealers of Seiko watches here, and warranty card here. Perhaps just let us take a look at how much the owner paid for this watch. 1394. So I think this is already the discounted price, 20 or 30% discount. And of course we have the watch here, and this is a used watch, so it's been sized, 3 links removed. Reference number SPB297J1. So this is some sort of international model, not the JDM ones. Alright, but doesn't matter, they're all the same. Alright, I don't believe the JDM models are of better build quality. And now with all the packaging out of the way and with the lens zoom in just a little bit, let me just show you a closer look of this birch dial here. Really beautiful texturing, and I love this shade of blue. Alright, it is not overpowering, it's not gaudy, overly shiny or anything like that. Just the right hint of shininess and sheen to it. Beautiful looking dial here, lovely. So of course these 63 or 62 Mars reissue watches, they've been very popular since they were launched in 2019, and we've seen so many different colorways going on, and to me this is the best one yet. Alright, so I just love everything about this dial texture and color, and even the bezel insert here is fantastic. Alright, so these dive markers here, the numbers, they are engraved. Alright, they are not printed, and this is not ceramic. I think it's some kind of stainless steel, but really nicely finished. Okay, so the overall look and design of this watch, I think it's just fantastic. Alright, it looks even better than the 147 or the 143 that I've reviewed before. Let's go and do the customary handset alignment check on this one. Alright, 2 pops, 6R35, boring Seiko workhorse movement. Alright, let's shoot for 9 o'clock. It seems pretty okay. 12 o'clock. Ah, okay. Alright, there's a bit of a hand misalignment on this one. So right after the Slim Turtle unboxing I had last week, this is the second one, the consecutive Seiko in which I'm seeing the handset misalignment. Wow, okay. I'm so lucky. First purchase of the year, and we see the handset misalignment here. So you can see here at 6 o'clock. Alright, so the hands are not properly aligned. Wonderful QC from Seiko. Fantastic QC, Seiko. Okay, so really gotta give it to these guys. Okay, so big company, big name, supposedly Japanese company, high QC, but get misaligned hands on a watch. Okay, and this one here typically goes for around 1,003. Alright, 1,300 Singapore dollars and we get misaligned hands. No matter, okay? The design here is really cool, okay? So a classic watch in the making, or already a classic. Alright, so despite being a really young model, okay, this watch here, I think it's got a cult following among dive watch fans, okay? Not just Seiko fans, okay? Even dive watch fans out there who have more expensive and more luxury watches, I think, you know, they always hold this model in very high regards, okay? So just a great design here, a good balance of vintage and modern elements here on this watch. Here's a quick wrist shot for those of you who want to see how it fits. My wrist is about 17 cm and I think in terms of fit and wearability, not a problem at all. Okay, so I'll be honest with you, this is the first time I've strapped on this watch on its original bracelet and I actually find this to be a little bit heavy. Okay, maybe I'm just a bit too pampered recently with all the titanium watches I've purchased and reviewed, so it does feel a little bit heavy, alright? But it's okay, I think for a diver watch is pretty okay, alright? Slightly on the taller side, okay, due to this protruding case back, but overall still very manageable. And of course, just take a look at this lovely birch style here. This beautiful shade of blue. Alright, just loving it. So stay tuned for the full review and possibly a few comparison videos between this one and some other Seiko watches that I may have in the studio or in my collection. This is Andy in Singapore. I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.